Hello everybody, last day today of cooking food-ish thing, if you get what I mean, for Christmas. So today I thought I would do another Iceland joint. I'm going to be doing luxury pulled pork Wellington. £10 as I say from Iceland. Never had it before, it says it's new. I don't know whether it is. So let's open it up, have a look. Get it in the oven and give it a taste. Did I just say pulled pork? I think I did, I'm not sure, can't remember. Pulled beef it is anyway. Luxury pulled beef. Beef Wellington. Well, Wellington, beef Wellington pulled. 700 grams. Serves 4 it says. Let's have a look. What else we got here? Cook in the oven 45 minutes. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm saying. The best results cooked from frozen. Come on. Preheat the oven 180, which is already done. Remove from foil tray. Place baked Wellington on a greaseproof paper provided on a baking tray in the middle of the oven. 45 minutes. Slice to quarters. Nice and simple. There's the ingredients and the nutrition. Let's just get on with this one and have a look. That's it there. Looks quite nice to begin with. Let's get it open. Whoa, cameras everywhere, look. Knocking everything open. So busy today. So busy. There it is. Let's get it out. It's frozen. Oh, there's the baking paper. I've already got some out for a tray anyway. So I'll use my own. Well, there it is, it's not too bad, does it? Will it serve 4 though? I'm not sure about that, because don't forget that's only the meat there. I don't know if you'd serve 4 thin slices. Anyway, that's going to go in, I'm going to put it in the tray. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes, and then we'll have a look. Okay guys, it's been in about an hour. It weren't quite ready in the middle, but I think it's ready now, so I'm going to take it out. Yeah, there it is, and it does smell nice. There it is, look. Smells delicious. What does it taste like? That's the question, isn't it? So let's get it off the parchment. Change my glove over. I'll burn myself. Say £10 Iceland. Is it cooked underneath? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's cooked underneath. So there it is. We're gonna be having it with a bit of salad, just to see. So I hope it's nice. It's going to be our tea. Let me show you the underneath. There you go, you can see it. Yeah, it's all done. I'm going to let it cool down for a bit. It's a bit hot at the minute. Okay, let's cut some up then. I'm thinking I might just go straight down the middle so we can have a look, can't we? That might be the best thing to do, mightn't it? We'll go straight down the middle sort of thing. And we can have a look. Nice crunch on that pastry. As I say, it took about an hour. See? Looks a bit more like mint, to be honest with you. Let's have a good look. There you can see, I don't want it falling off the board. Looks quite a lot like mince. Let's dish it up anyway. You're not looking forward to it?
I don't know if I am.
Oh, you don't know whether you're looking forward to it. That's it, it looks like a bit like poo. And it does actually. Let me show you. Sweetheart. Sounds like duck meat. There it is, look if we get you a closer look now. And there it is, look. So you would do 4 slices like that. I mean, the 3 of us have had it. That's looking. examining what it looks like. Is it going to be a bad dinner, do you think, then, Bab?
Yeah.
We're going to be hungry, are we?
I don't think Dad's going to eat this either.
You don't think so?
You might like it.
Yeah, it's all in the taste, sweetheart, isn't it? It's all in the taste.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Not very good taste. Not very good taste, according to Natalie. A few of the reviews, I don't know if I mentioned it, a couple said it was nice and a few said it was horrible, which I looked at this morning before I cooked it, so I'm going to get it in myself anyway. Let's cut some in half.
I probably like it.
And I'll try like a bit of a pasty thing. Let's see. But it's definitely mince. It's not pulled pork, is it that? It's mince, isn't it?
It smells like mince, doesn't it?
It does smell nice though. Don't you think it smells nice, don't you?
No, oh yeah, it does smell nice. It smells nice when you were cooking it. I like it.
Ah, it's hot. That's hot. Oh. Oh no.
Oh, Jack.
Oh. That reminds me of...
Dog food?
Well, I've never had dog food, so... What's that taste in your gob? That reminds me of something like, It's like pate, isn't it? You think it's pate?
It's like the paste we used to have when we was kids.
Yeah. What was it called? In the jars. Like the little, the paste, like the sandwich paste. Like that, isn't it? Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh, God. Rubbish dinner.
Oh. It's got a weird aftertaste.
I've got a funny taste to it, hasn't it?
Look at that.
What's it look?
It's not slot.
It's definitely not pulled beef, is it that?
No, that's not pulled beef. Not in a chance.
Cheap pulled mince meat. That's what that is.
I don't like that.
Don't like it.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm just going to eat the salad. I'm going to eat it because, well, I don't know if I'm going to eat it because it's got a really funny taste to it.
It's got a weird taste.
It's got
It's very dry. It's glue in my mouth. Do you get that?
no, it's not good at all, is it that? No.
Like you said, everyone's different. You know what I mean? Some people like it, some
I
people
don't think many people would like that, to be honest with you. No, I wouldn't buy that. A tenner. Nah, no thank you. How much it was, a tenner?
£10.
£10, yeah. That's bad, isn't it, that?
Luxury pulled beef.
Pulled beef Wellington. The pastry's nice. Isn't it? The pastry's okay. Yeah? No? No. There you go. Yeah, something simple. That was the last one before Crimbo. We have to starve now till Monday. We're only on the sandwiches and that now, virtually, aren't we? Just, you know, the normal stuff. No.
I'm trying.
I'm trying as well.
To get
Just see what you eat. If you don't like it, don't like it. You can always have a cheese.
Weird
You
taste.
can always have a cheese toast or something like that. Doesn't matter, does it? As I say. Oh,
Yak.
yeah.
Yak.
Yak. Yak. Yuck. Whatever you call it. Yeah, I wouldn't even waste my time with that, a tenner. Would you? I wouldn't. No. Honestly. And you might have had it, you might have liked it, but I don't think many people are like that.
No, I don't think so.
Do you?
Neither, no.
Nah.
I don't think it's worth the money, neither.
It's not worth a tenner, is it, that, at all?
What's
Is it?
inside it?
You might as well go and buy a joint of beef for a tenner and some pastry for £1, 11 quid, and make your own, mightn't you? Make your own beef Wellington, or you got to put mushrooms and that, but if you don't want it, you want it like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not very nice. No, it's not very nice. Anyway, I'm going live tomorrow again. My last one before Christmas, be about 1 o'clock for a couple of hours. If you can make it, brilliant. If you can't, Matt and I'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Won't be bad, and thank you for the support.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Thank you for your support all over the year.
Thank you.
Well, if you can make it, you can make it. If not, have a great day, and I'll be back over the Christmas week, if you get what I mean. I'm not sure what, like about the 28th, innit? I said something like that. So, have a great Christmas, everybody.
Yeah.
And if you don't make it tomorrow, take care. And if you're making it tomorrow, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I'd mark that probably. What would you mark it? 2, 3. Well, I don't think I'd mark it that because of the price. Would you? You might as well go and buy a can of mincemeat from what the shop, you know, the cans of mincemeat and some pastry, mightn't you?
Yeah, make your own.
And make your own, make it like a pie.
That's all it looks like.
Yeah.
It's a puff pastry pie.
Yeah, but it's horrible inside, isn't
But
it?
it's disgusting.
Yeah. Never mind, anyway. There's our tea.
1.
One for that. I'm going to get a 2 or maybe a 3. Well, that's about it. See you later. Bye-bye.